Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Sugar Free is a child-friendly app that eliminates common myths surrounding diabetes. Let's know all about it.
We know that India is home to rasgullas, gulab jamuns, and burfis that we bring out to many occasions to celebrate. But we also know that India is home to many diabetic children. 1 out of every 10 children, in fact, in India is prone to diabetes. Basically, what I'm trying to get at here is today, diabetes in children is a very difficult problem that many parents have to face. And approximately around 97,700 children are suffering from type 1 diabetes under 14 years of age group, and around 16,000 fresh cases are added every year. Basically, our app is a kid-friendly app which helps to turn daunting challenges into easy and exciting adventures. We also organize consultations with doctors, both online as well as physical. We organize video calls. We have a vast community of fellow diabetics, so where children can communicate with others so they don't feel alone in this journey. We don't want kids to feel isolated. We want them to have as many friends as possible who are going through the same suffering as them. Also, we have a shopping of various sugar-free products. There's a cart where you can shop in from, and we have a whole catalog of products. So we basically have around, right now, we have a prototype ready, and our team is working on the app. And we have an Instagram account, and we also have WhatsApp group channels for students. So we basically have, right now we have 15 plus children on the WhatsApp group, and we are working with them. We are connecting with them every day to work on this problem and to connect them and to see how they're monitoring their symptoms and how are they facing these issues and what are the main problems that they face every day. Basically, I thought about this idea in my first semester, but it was just a fleeting moment I had. But when I actually looked at the statistics, I was pretty confident about this idea as a startup. And that's when I figured out that I have to work on this idea. And I started working on it, and I made an Instagram account and all. I don't have any family background as such in diabetes, but my distant cousin is someone who is living with diabetes for more than 5 years now. I wanted to help him. Basically, I wanted to have a community of children who can connect on the single app and who can connect with each other to know more about the diabetes, to know more about the facts, and to bust myths about these diseases so that kids do not feel afraid to talk openly about it, and they can always open up alongside their peers. I plan to expand, and diabetes should not be the only disease that we are catering to, and we should also include other diseases that children have to suffer in their early childhood ages. My future plans for this app include I plan to make this globally. I know not only in India, but millions of children who are suffering from diabetes globally need to have access to this app.
When she came to me regarding the startup, so I was thinking for a while because my mother was also in the same field. My mother is a doctor. So when she came to me and asked me about, like, I have an idea of making type 1 diabetes kits, an app for type 1 diabetes kits. So I later on confirmed it with my mother, and she told me, yes, this is a really growing thing right now and which need to be resolved. I asked her about her idea, okay, what actually you want to do and what actually you are thinking about this idea. So she told me that I need to make an app which will regularly diagnose the kids and keep the parents as well as doctors updated. So there are very much things that the records are going missing, the appointments are not being scheduled. What if the child is in emergency and the parents don't know it? So I need to make everything in place. So that was her only idea about sugar free. She came to me, and after a while, after confirming it with my mother and several other, doctors, I came to realize that this is a really growing problem which needs to be resolved. So I helped her out with the proper designing of the app and how the things are going to work out, and how actually this thing is going to happen. Sugar Free is actually making a huge impact by providing the actual services what need to be done to the children's for the children's. So I think that that's a really good thing.
I just want you to know that you can make mistakes as many as you want, but just don't be hesitate to participate in such exciting events and opportunities that you get, and just be there and just do it.